a prayer song to invoke the blessings of the Almighty. A team that prays together stays together to seek God's guidance and unity in our endeavors. Let us all join our hands and listen to the prayer song.
That highlights ஒவ்வொருவரும் தங்கள் பணி சரியாக செய்தால் குழு முயற்சி வெற்றி பெறும்.
We will motivate us together and achieve greatness. Now I invite with you Abdul to share today's talk.
Good morning everyone. Thought of the day. Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. Written by Helen Keller. Thank you.
Our vocabulary and help us express the importance of teamwork better. Let us welcome Mithunjay to share the word of the day.
Good morning everyone. Word of the day. Collaborate, meaning to work together with one or more people to achieve a common purpose. Bees! No way!
Thank you for all the performers for a wonderful entertainment. It reminded us great things happen when we work together. Now I invite with you to present the concluding part.
Good morning everyone once again. As we come to the end of today's assembly, let us take a moment to reflect on the important lessons we learned about teamwork. The Tirukkural reminded us of the power of working together with focus and understanding. The thought of the day inspired us to realize that collaboration leads to extraordinary achievements. The word of the day gave us a tool to express the essence of teamwork in our lives. Finally, the drama beautifully showcased how unity and cooperation can turn challenges into victories. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am and Advisor Ma'am for giving us this wonderful opportunity. A big thank to our class teacher for guiding and training us. To our dear parent who has been a pillar of strength, and a special thanks to our supportive audience for encouraging us throughout. Let us carry these lessons with us, not just today but every day. Remember, in a team everyone achieves more. Let us strive to support and uplift one another, both in school and beyond, to achieve our goals as an unfight force. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
We hope today's assembly inspired everyone to embrace teamwork in your daily life. Thank you.
Really, to begin the week on a Monday morning like this is really a boost. I'm actually to say, when I entered the foyer today, they were all seated there with all their props. And I was when I entered, they wished me. When I came and then another teacher came, they all stood up and wished. So from there it began. You were really good there. You definitely require a round of applause for that. You wished every teacher, that was very nice of you. And here, you did not require your teacher's help anywhere. Everything fell on place. It was a beautiful presentation. Yes? And also, we have a teamwork of teachers, the management, parents, and the helping support staff. Everybody, we all work together on a daily basis. Everybody does their own roles, and then we move on every year. Yes? Beautiful presentation, very nice. Very well done.